Mike Curkov saying he beat me last time at Blizzard Brawl.
Curkov hits his stunner!
He did!
Blizzard Brawl is the whiteout, and Mordecai is the pale rider that you will never beat.
And like I said, you're gonna learn to cheer me.
I am tired of you embarrassing me in front of my kids, in front of my wife, in front of my friends, in front of my mom. Cedarburg, Grafton, this is my place. Wisconsin, this is my state. And I will gladly skip the Emmys to kick your butt. In December, in Milwaukee,